The complete guide to weight gain for skinny guys. Imagine this. You eat more than your friends. You never skip meals. You even started going to the gym. Yet every time you step on the weighing scale, the number barely moves. Meanwhile, someone else gains 5 kilos just by looking at food. The truth is, most skinny guys aren't skinny because they have bad genetics. They're skinny because nobody ever taught them how weight gain actually works. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact system that helped thousands of naturally skinny guys finally gain weight, build muscle, and stop looking like a hanger with clothes on. Part 1. Why you're not gaining weight? Let me tell you about two guys. Both say they eat a lot. The first guy eats one huge lunch, skips breakfast, drinks tea, and barely eats dinner. The second guy eats 4 to 5 meals consistently every day. Who gains weight? The second guy. Because weight gain isn't about eating a lot sometimes. It's about eating enough consistently. Here's a fact. Your body doesn't care how much you ate yesterday. It only responds to what you do repeatedly. Most skinny guys think they eat a lot, but when they actually track their calories, they're often eating hundreds of calories less than they need. That's the first mistake. Part 2. The golden rule of weight gain. Weight gain comes down to one simple rule. Eat more calories than your body burns. That's it. No secret supplements. No magic workouts. No special genetics. If your body burns 2,200 calories per day and you eat 2,700 calories consistently, you'll gain weight over time. Think of your body like a bank account. Calories in are deposits. Calories out are withdrawals. If you deposit more than you withdraw, the balance grows. Your body works the same way. Aim for a calorie surplus of around 300 to 500 calories daily. This helps you gain weight steadily without gaining excessive body fat. Part 3. The biggest mistake skinny guys make. Most skinny guys focus on eating more food. Smart skinny guys focus on eating more calories. There's a huge difference. For example, 1 spoon of peanut butter has more calories than a whole bowl of many vegetables. A handful of peanuts contains more calories than most people realize. This is why calorie-dense foods are your best friends. Some budget-friendly examples: whole milk, rice, eggs, bananas, peanuts, peanut butter, potatoes, oats, homemade shakes. A simple weight gain shake could be 2 bananas, 500 milliliters milk, oats, and peanut butter. In just a few minutes, you've consumed hundreds of easy calories without feeling overly full. That's how smart weight gain works. Part 4. The muscle building secret. Now here's something important. If you only eat more food and never challenge your muscles, you'll gain weight, but not necessarily the weight you want. To build muscle, your body needs a reason to grow. That's where resistance training comes in. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need a luxury gym. You simply need progressive overload, meaning gradually becoming stronger over time. More reps, more weight, better performance. Your muscles adapt to the challenge and grow bigger. And don't forget protein. A good target is around 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Protein gives your body the building blocks it needs to repair and build muscle tissue. Part 5. The truth about genetics. Now, some of you are thinking, but I have a fast metabolism. Maybe. But here's the truth. Most people who say they have a fast metabolism simply underestimate how much they need to eat. Yes, genetics matter. Some people gain weight easier. Some gain slower. But genetics decide the speed. They don't decide the destination. A naturally skinny guy who follows the right plan for a year will look completely different from the version of himself today. So if you're a skinny guy trying to gain weight, remember these 4 rules. Eat in a calorie surplus. Focus on calorie-dense foods. Train consistently and get stronger. Stay patient, because the biggest difference between the guy who stays skinny and the guy who transforms his body isn't genetics, it isn't supplements, it isn't motivation, it's consistency. A year from now, you'll either be looking at the same body in the mirror, or you'll be thanking yourself for starting today. The choice is yours. If this video helped you, subscribe for more fitness and lifestyle content that actually works.